Okay, hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and we are here now to discuss the summary chapter 6. Let's start. Chapter 6 is all about network layer. Network application and services. On one end, device can communicate with application and services running on another end devices. How is this data communicated across the network in an efficient way? The protocols of the OSI models network layers specify addressing and processing that enables transport layer data to be packaged and transported. So, the network layer, or the exchange of data, provides service to allow end devices to exchange data across the network. To accomplish this to end end-to-end transport, the network layer uses four basic processes: the addressing end devices, encapsulation, routing, and the encapsulation. Wherein addressing end devices must be configured with an unique IP address for identification of the network, and then the encapsulation, the network layer encapsulate the protocol's data unit from the transport layer into a packet. Then the routing, the network layer provides service to direct packets to a destination host on another network. Then the last, the encapsulation, when the packet arrives at the network layer of the destination host, the host checks up the IP header of the packet. The network layer protocols. There are several network layer protocols in existent. Then the network Internet Protocol version 4 IPv4 and Internet Protocols version 6 IPv6. Encapsulating IP. The transport layer adds a header so segment can be reassembled at the destination. IP encapsulate the transport layer segment or other data by adding an IP header. This header is used to deliver the packet to the destination host. Then characteristic of IP: connectionless. No connection with the destination is established before sending data packets, and best effort. IP is inherently unreliable because packet delivery is not guaranteed, and media independent. Operation is independent of the medium carrying the data. IP was designed as a protocol with a low overhead. It provides only a function that are necessary to deliver a packet from a source to a destination over an interconnected system of networks. Then IP connection less. Connectionless communication. The sender does not know if the receiver is present, if the letter arrived, if the receiver can be read the letter, and the receiver does not know when it is coming. Meaning, IP connectionless meaning that no dedicated end-to-end connection is created before data is sent. IP best effort delivery. As an unreliable network layer protocols, IP does not guarantee that all sent packets will be received. Other protocols manage the process of tracking packets and ensuring their delivery. So the unreliable means that IP does not have the capability to manage and recover from undelivered or corrupt packet. Then IP independent IP operates independently of the media that carry the data and lower layer of the protocol stack. IP packet can travel over different media. IP packet. And then IP packet header version 4. Consists of field contain important information about the packet. This field contain binary numbers which are examined by the layer 3 process. The binary values of each field identify various settings of the IP packet. And significant field in the IPv4 header includes version, contains a 4-bit binary value set to 0100 that identifies this as an IP version 4 packet. Then different service of the serve or DS, time to live, protocol, source IPv4 address, and the destination IPv4 address. So the next is IPv4. Through the years, IPv4 has been updated to address new changes. However, even with changes, IPv4 still three major issues: the IP address depletion and internet routing table expansion and lack of end-to-end connectivity. Then introducing IPv6 in early 90s, the Internet Engineer Task Force grew concerned about the issues with IPv4 and began to look for a replacement. The improvement that IPv6 provide include increased address space, improved packet handling, and eliminates the need of ANT. Host forwarding decision. Three types of destination itself, local host, and remote host. Default gateway routes traffic to other network, has a local IP address in the same address range as other hosts on the network, can take data in and forward data out. So, anatomy of a router. Many types of infrastructure router available. Branch 1 service provider. Then router CPU and OS. Here, CPU. Then router memory. RAM uses the following application and processes: the iOS image and running configuration file, the routing table used to determine the best path to use to forward packet, and etc. The ROM is boot up information that provides the startup instructions, and power oneself test or POS that tests all the hardware component, and limited iOS to provide a backup version of the iOS. It is used for loading a full features iOS when it is when it has been deleted or corrupted. And basic switch configuration steps. Switch configuration tasks: hostname and line console password login, line bty015 password login, and enable secret password, and then service password encryption and banner motd element message. Then in skills integration, your network manage and impress your performance in your job in LAN technician. And network layer, the internet is largely based on IPv4, which is still the most widely used network layer protocols. And an IPv4 packet contains the IP header and the payload. However, IPv4 has a limited number of unique public addresses available. So that's all for summary chapter 6. Thank you.